Hello everyone. Yeah, we're streaming this. And, we're gonna just get right into it, because I want to beat this game. And that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna beat this. Today! But I haven't streamed in, like, forever, so... we'll have some fun. It'll be great. Whee! Yeah. Let's see. Alright. So, what we need to do here, we've come back. It is so loud in my headphones. We need, oh wait, can I just go to the end? Yeah, this is still open. We need to go to Sergeant Baird. Because we need to reassemble the, Tiki head. Nice. Step inside, old chum. Sergeant James Baird.
I'm playing a game of hide and seek with my friends. If I can't find where they've hidden their heads, they won't let me join the Tiki Lodge. Help me put them back together and I'll make you an honorary member.
Wow. You can't do it yourself, can you? Sad times we live in. Okay. Pretty straightforward. Oh! Don't die. Ay, ay, ay. Get out of here. Hello, welcome. Ah! You sir, get out of here. Oh. Wait, they just keep spawning? That seems a little weird. Can I blow that up? Yeah, I can, baby. Let's see. Oh. Nice. Okay. Right. Sun. There we go. Like a professional. Beautiful. Ah. Ah. Don't run into me, birds. Wait. Is there nothing else in this room? Ow. I said don't run into me, birds. Oh, wait. Oh, I wasted. Luna! Hello, Luna. Hello, Luna. Right. Let's get you. Okay. Been in that room. I guess we just gotta pick a room and go for it then. That connects to there, so let's keep going clockwise. The fire burns. The burning of the fire. Let's see, is there anything else in here? No, we're good. Oh, goodness. Oh! Ooh. Ah! There we go. Oh, can I? No? I can't blow that up? Fine. Let's go this way. Oh! Why am I blindly jumping through this like it's nothing? Oy vey. Woo! Woo! Yahoo! Wrong game franchise voice, but here we are. Yahoo! Ooh, nice. Alright, we just got the last one, right? There was an egg in there. Right? Oh, what's back here? Is it not this? Was I already in here? I was just in here, wasn't I? Yeah, I was. I was just in here. Okay, so not that one. Ah, there we go. This way. Get out of my way, birds. Yes, I'm here to collect. I'm here to collect. Thank you. Oh boy, precision. Oh, precision. There we go.
Take this egg as a sign of your honorary membership to the Lodge.
Thank you. You know, you could have just done this yourself. Save me the trouble. Thanks for Ryan.
Well, that's never happened before. I hope it's not a bad omen.
What? Wait, what? What's never happened before? That doesn't answer anything. Assemble Tiki heads. Wait, what? I assembled the Tiki heads. Oh! I've assembled the Tiki heads. Why do I not have a skill point for that? Huh. Ow. Wait, why don't I have a skill point for that? What? Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Okay, how do I drop? There we go. Whee! Alright, come on, light on fire. Let's go. Don't have time for this, Jeff. Ah! Bird. I'm a bird. Oh. Okay. Ow. Ah! Nice. Oh, no. Alright. And we can go this way. There we go. Just going to burn. Oh. Oh, cool. Very cool. Okay, got it. Missed the portal. There we go. You okay, Sparks? You gonna be okay, bruh? How am I missing the portal again? It's not hard, just walk into it. You silly goose. Pew! 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 Burn! Let's get some cheapies. Cheapies! Cheapies! Beautiful. Oh, what the? That is a rock? Okay. Oh. Hey.
Spyro, I found an egg. but only Sparks will be able to reach
You're
it.
Zoe!
There's a small hole that leads to a crawdad farm. I can take him there if he's ready.
Yes. Let's do it. The adventure continues. Oh, right.
Hello, Sparks. Before you take on those nasty crawdads, I should give you some help. To start, let's practice shooting. Press the attack button to shoot these targets.
My controller's a little dirty. What the heck? What? Okay. Oh, they just open.
You can also move quickly by pressing the charge button, like Spyro.
Wow. It's an up
Now for the
down.
hard part. Being a maneuverable
level.
dragonfly,
I know what that is.
you can also strafe in any direction. To strafe, hold down the roll left or roll right button, then move with the left stick.
Cool. Okay. Ooh. Wow. Pew, 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 pew. That's cool.
On your travels, you'll notice butterflies that give you health, just like in the dragon world. Not only that, but some butterflies will give you special powers, though only for a short
Wow.
time. Just eat any power-up butterfly, then press the jump button to use that power-up. Your power-up is shown in the top right of the screen.
Okay. Easy. Now what?
You'll be able to deal with these guys much faster if you use a power-up. Just eat any power-up butterfly, then press the
Oh,
jump
was I
button.
so? Oh. Whatever. All right.
You'll be able to deal
Wait,
with these
what?
guys.
Oh. Okay.
Looks like you're ready, Sparks. If you need any more guidance, just choose the controls option.
Okay. There's gems here. I feel like I'm playing an arcade game. Whoa. There we go. Cool. It's a little unfair, but wow. Oh, it's a red key. Use the missiles. Okay. Oh! Ah! Okay, I need to find a thing, quick. Oh, I got healed by a gem? Okay, and I got a red key. I should go this way first. Let's go the normal direction. Oh, that probably is a gold key. Ow! Okay. Ah, there we go, there we go. Strafe, that's right. Do the strafe thing. That helps. drinky. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Zooming away we go. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. That's cool. Not doing anything I want, but cool nonetheless. Ha! I have the power of strafing. You can never mess with me now. I'm a god. Ah! Nice. Whew. Wow. Not bad. Not bad. Where do I go? I have a blue key. I don't remember a blue... Ah! Blue door. Did I miss something? Yeah, that's right. Be gone, you crawdads. Get out of here. Ooh. There we go. Nice. Nice. Oh! What? What is this? Oh, you're the madman! Wow! We got Nora! That was actually really cool. I will not lie, that's really cool actually. I enjoy that quite a bit. $200 out of 200. 100% level complete. Okay, cool. That's really fun, actually. That's probably my favorite of the side character levels. That's probably my favorite. Very well done, Spyro game. Very well done. I'm out of water.
Nice work, Sparks. You've beaten the Crawdad King and found the lost egg. Not only that, but some of the dragon magic seems to have rubbed off on you. Now you can pick up gems when they're even further away from Spyro.
Wow! That would have been so handy, like, forever ago. The Midday Gardens. Midday Gardens. Oh, how is everyone? Huh? How y'all doing, huh? Nice. Alright, so now we can finish the Midday Gardens and then get on out of here on whatever that is.